Hi everyone. So my birthday is around the corner and it's going to be a big one. I still haven't decided on the theme. I'm juggling between two, but one of those is Harry Potter. And what I wanted to do was provide all of my guests with a wand, if that is the theme I do decide to go for. And I wanted to try to make one. Previously, I and my boyfriend have made wands out of sticks that have fallen from trees that had that right wand shape, which was really cool, but those are a little hard to come by, particularly in the right form. So what I wanted to try was to do it with some chopsticks. It's going to be fairly simple. So I have the chopsticks here. I'm just going to separate them. And then I'm going to just take some sandpaper to this just to even it out a little bit. I couldn't find just a normal sheet of sandpaper, so I found this old sanding disc. It's not too important, I just wanted to get those rough edges away. And then in the background I have my glue gun going. I thought I had my glue gun going. Let me plug that in and let it heat up. Alrighty, my glue gun is heated up. Whoopsie daisies. So first I'm going to go around here. So I've just popped glue onto this in some interesting shapes, onto the back of this one and the back of this one with a little texturing. I am now, so they've dried. I'm now going to try a similar wand, but I want to try sand it on the belt sander and see if I can get a nicer finish and shape. So let me get that started. I've brought these two back from the belt sander and I'm putting on some glue here. That was a bad idea. Don't touch the glue while it's still hot. So there are a number of finishes that you can actually do with these, which I am finding and having a lot of fun with. So with the black, you can do strong pure black like that. It is a little lackluster. I'm going to touch these highlights with some gold though, just to make it stand out a little more. But now I'm going to try spray it on a little sparsely and see how that goes. And the top one, I'm going to spray first in pure white. So I am not so keen of how that looks, so I'm going to speckle a little white on the black, and that'll give it some more texture. That looks way cooler. Alright, so I've let the spray paint dry and they are looking very cool. The last thing that I need to do is just add some highlights. I have a gold pen here, what would you call this, permanent marker, I don't know, and I'm just gonna go along where the glue is and just pop some highlights on, just to give the ones some texture. And there we have it. They look amazing. I am very proud.